Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be cooking a nice spicy lamb jalfrezi. What you're going to need is 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 2 teaspoons of our Desi Styles spice, which is mixed powder, 5 to 7 pieces of pre-cooked lamb, 2 tablespoons of Jalfrezi onions, half a pint of base gravy, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, which is just chili powder, any spice you can get from currybyare.com, which is our own branded spice, 2 pieces of tomato, and you are going to need 1 green chilli, which I forgot to put on there. Anything pre-cooked, so you've got your lamb, your base gravy, go down on the description box below. There will be a link on how to cook it if you're unsure. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions, and I've been helping a lot of people. So hopefully I've made a difference to their cooking. Let's get going. Lamb jalfrezi. So today, guys, we're going to be making a lamb jalfrezi. Couple of teaspoons of oil. Ginger paste. Just want to let that cook in after giving the oil about 30-45 seconds to warm up, and then until you can smell the garlic and ginger and it's browning a little bit. Don't want to overdo it. A couple of teaspoons of our tomato puree. So then you've got our Jalfrezi onions. Those are already pre-cooked. You can use raw onions and peppers. We pre-cook it so it's quicker on service. And then you put the gas on low. A couple of teaspoons of our Desi Style mixed powder, which we've mixed and blended on our own. And then you've got our chili powder for the jalfrezi. About half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon you can put in there. And then you have the pre-cooked lamb. You don't want to put any of the sauce in, just if you see my spoon's got a hole in it, just draining the sauce out. I've got about 6 pieces, you can put 7, 8, entirely up to you. On low gas, you want to let your lamb cook in with the spices. So give it a bit of a while on low gas. Let it cook in nice and slowly without burning the pan. And you've got about half a pint of base gravy. Now you want to put the gas right up now. Then you've got 2 slices of tomato. Just want to put that in, along with a sprinkle of coriander. So yeah, the colour of the curry has gone quite dark. The lamb's very tender now, very soft. The sauce is a nice thickness. It's ready to come up. Ready to dish up now. Looks like that's going. And then you just want 1 green chilli with the stalk off. A little bit of coriander for decor, and there you have it. A lovely, tasty, hot lamb jalfrezi.